Are we recording?
We might have me. I might have my grind right now, like it's starting, so I don't know if I'm
Okay.
Yeah?
Do we have the funny number device running?
Oh yeah, I remember you wanted it.
Hoggers. Funny number.
Skip.
Skip.
You know, that eggplant sweep thing to work.
Oh yeah. Is there a noticeable difference in healing with the eggplant for the tanks? Okay, I asked the wrong people.
You think I heal, bro?
I mean, I do get full like determination out of it, and crit. I think, yeah. So, like, I assume it helps. I just I pressed crit in one person.
Fair enough, yeah.
The straight main defense shouldn't be enough to notice.
Yeah, it's what does help. I think is like the 300 extra health you guys have. Like that's huge.
There you go. I get like 30 more hit points.
I don't think I even get any more.
I saw my HP go up a little bit.
I do not get any more HP either. I think my vitality is too low or something.
Eric, how much max HP do you have?
300.
What?
300.
Wait, what I press?
Oh, I meant like total. Oh, 300, like 30k? Or...
No, 300 plus.
It's right there. He's in there, look.
Huh?
It's HP.
Well,
Thunder.
vitality
This is
doesn't
In-N-Out
directly
Burger. I'm not
translate to HP.
Burger.
Oh, fire's gonna, yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna take second fire.
Me too.
Over here.
Thunder.
I have thunder.
Stacking in.
Ooh.
Oh, nice.
Hey, you guys are alive.
Again? Oh, okay.
No,
We
he's
have the
fine.
exact same trajectory.
Thunder. Fire in. And spread. Spread it in. Thunders. Yeah.
Oh, I got it. Nice.
Third doom. I'm just gonna move it there.
My chest.
Look at A. A, spread. B. See these nuts. LB3. Latin. Oh.
Wait, where is the other one?
It's on me.
Oh.
Kill Jason.
I have one equilibrium. Latin. Oh, what? Why did my health go down? The crit shield?
Yeah, I crit shield you.
Into the towers.
You actually still had some of the shield after the tank.
Yeah, I thought I did.
Seriously?
I saw.
Yeah.
Tanking F4.
I see like a distortion, like a line in my vision.
Good. In. Spread around one.
Man, let's just real quick get this over with so you can go back to relaxing.
Cheating.
Yeah, if it's starting now, I have like maybe 1 hour, maybe 2, so depends how big it is.
Latin.
My weakness is good.
Latin's fall. Nails in the middle. Move.
1, 2, 3.
Away from one. DPS check is done.
Oh shit.
Oh, in your time swap, we were at 61 instead of the normal 60.
Yeah, I saw. Kind of crazy.
Baseline.
Healthy. Healthy. And strike. Few empty spots around the hitbox. Perfect.
I'll grab 3.
Everyone. No dodges. Or shakers. Nice.
Is it?
It's okay.
You know, I was already there.
Speaker flare. This is mine? Or... Oh, that's yours.
Oh, why did I use that? Fucking lance charge.
Pretty yak up, but
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's a lot of fun.
Get it lower. Get it lower.
Are you getting a
45.
lot of artifacts from my speaker?
Cardinal left.
We're going
No,
to left.
nothing.
Don't move yet.
Wait,
Don't
wait,
move yet.
knack.
Okay, no, we're good. We're
It's
good.
fine, it's fine.
We go shoot, we go shoot.
Check your heads.
Check heads. Check heads.
Where?
Move left. Left. And sprint.
I didn't see if I had one.
Whoa.
Oh, there it is.
Who's baiting?
Yeah, I don't know. It's not me.
Twisters. Watch
Watch out, there's one in the
twisters. Watch
middle.
twisters. Alright. Focus target twin. Generate into twisters. Twisters now. Look for quote. Out, stack, spread. Oh fuck, out.
Stack here.
Stack,
Red spots.
spread. Watch
Twister
twisters now.
Moving the way.
Yep. Mega flare.
I think we meet now.
Yep.
Moving. Gonna move a little bit to the back.
Yep. Baits. Bosses are even. Generates into twisters. Twister now.
This will be in. This will be in.
In. Out. Spread. Out. Spread.
Red.
And
Twister.
Twister now.
Twisters.
Twin tire.
5% twin. Get twin a little bit lower.
There
And
we
LB
go.
now. LB.
Even. LB.
Mid.
Oh, nice.
In the middle.
Thank you.
Get ready with that macro.
Okay.
Oh, who was?
Yep.
Do the macro
Okay.
now.
Oh, Dave. Yeah,
Give,
they
give
put
it
the
a
macro in.
second.
Yeah.
Because there's stuff showing up in chat. You good?
Who was calling? Do that again?
You take golden first. Your first rep. And I'll shake first.
If you can call out the thing. That's pretty good. I don't wanna do this.
I think it's safe.
Stack in the middle when we res. Stack in the middle.
Right, slightly north of 4. Over here.
Slightly north of 40. Okay. Over here.
Right. Jason, shake.
And
This is Eric and Kaida's for now.
rep. Pot.
Thanks move north, faint.
North.
Thanks move north, faint.
Kitchen sink.
1, 2, 3. Alright, you ready for extra first?
Exit players.
Ready?
Look now. I don't see it. Oh, there it is. I see it.
one and the one.
Right here. Start right here.
Alright.
So it's gonna be tank clusters
After
first.
this, yeah, Eric is moving out first. Eric is moving
Yep.
out.
Eric move out first. Yep. And then
This is your inbound.
yeah. Invul now.
1,
2,
3, 4. Alright, stack on Eric.
Stack on Eric. Stack on Eric. My
This
rep.
is, yeah, your rep and
My rep.
Arsha. Adel. Thank you. Move to the middle after this. Middle.
Middle.
Ready for extra players.
Extra players.
There we are. Out.
Easy.
Easy.
This is going to be stack.
This is stack, yep.
This
This
is going
is
to be
Eric
Eric's.
and Kaide. We're in Morna 5-3.
Weapon.
And my invul.
Away.
Invul.
One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Oh,
No 6, no 6.
and the middle.
I need healing.
Yeah.
Exaflare.
Move.
And then stack. Okay, it's Morna Fa 4. Morna Fa 4. Jason and Archie Smith.
This is the last one?
Nope.
Mine's
One more.
Battle shouldn't be up yet.
Kitchen sink.
This is Sync.
There's gonna be 6 of these.
Three doubles.
We get a 1,
Fucking LB 3 times.
4, 5, 6. Alright, move to the middle. This is the last one. Oh, kill it.
We're good. We're killing
GG!
Easy clap.
Oh, wait, was it? Oh, bruh.
It was true, it was the first full.
Dude, I had no shakies that time. I had no shakies that time. That was so nice.
Oh, I'm shaking.
I actually had shakies this time.
Oh,
My hands are like
My hands are numb, dude.
my hands are TV static right now.
oh yeah, my hands are Stevie Static as well.
Oh
Go.
my gosh, I'm shaking.
Yeah, I actually have
guys.
shaky. I actually have shakies this time. Alright, congrats.
Legends.
We are legends. Let's go.
Last coil, minimum mind level.
Hands are